Your reaction.
No problem. Hi guys, welcome to the Black Couch Diaries. We're back and we've been gone. Hey, how long have you been gone for?
Isn't it 2 months?
When
last did I see you?
Nothing to exaggerate, but not 2 months.
Wait,
Probably 3 weeks.
No, it can't be 3 weeks. What do you
Seriously?
mean? No, it can't be 3
Did the
weeks.
check, come
As 3 weeks.
When last did you shoot?
It's been a while, guys.
But it's not 2 months.
A
I mean,
month.
if you go to 2 months, it's like April.
Namiro shooter.
Yeah. We
When?
did shoot and drop. Right, Mkon?
When? We didn't shoot, Ngame.
We did shoot.
When?
We didn't did. Oh, damn.
Anyway, Zotamba.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
anyways, how are you? How have you been since Ukale?
Not bad. Not bad. I'm still coping. I'm alive.
What's been happening?
Can't complain. Nothing much. Eh? I was very interesting. I've just been the same me. Nothing really. Unless I ran down Mara so far. Right.
Wait, I saw this other time, T. There was this other picture of you in his badera. What was happening? Oh, I'm confused about it.
Yeah, and when this is Badera, a friend of mine was Badera.
Wasn't it you?
No, doesn't be the chanda pezi. And Angomando Mufaranga chanda. It was
chanda. The miso feel for you.
yo. Mpore happy.
Like, wait.
No, don't see us Badera.
I thought it was you.
I had to admit to you guys.
Remember this at that time I posted people who have money are those who grew up with asthma and all that.
Oh yes,
so I thought maybe you had asthma.
Yeah. No, Maratungo admit you. I didn't get that far. A friend of mine over Kolwara, so for like a week or two, something. So yeah, that's what happened. That was in May. June, last month.
Just the beginning of June.
Just the beginning. Yeah. So right here last month. But no, I was in there, guys. You guys can't get rid of me that easily.
Oh. Nyaka won't fucking wichinakao.
Wichinakao ndini? Jina atiopina mkeguruna mutsi.
Hey, wichinakao kujeno kiwa.
Atiopina mkeguruna mutsi.
Did you see the video?
Atiopina mara atiopina mkeguruna mutsi.
I'm going to have to show you that video.
Wichinakao smela wa vampire.
Wamloi.
Vampire.
Woli wa mlomo ndi bawo kitwa the.
Madam mtu abangoreta ntupewe.
Bamin.
As pitbulls last two. Like make it make sense.
No man, there's Wichinakao now. Don't you know the video?
No,
so I'm like, I'm just wasting my time here. Okay. Hey. What the nanya that?
Mano manchiso.
I'm not in truth.
Abe ubaba ushkapa ni mano bes. So
do you know what's the funny thing about this video? How about and I couldn't get all of it. Coffee what Jenna and then because there are people they send her own. She was like, nah, maybe it's just sleepwalking, all those things. That's another one. But they remember that for about 2 hours. I'm like, guys, there's no way.
No matter what keyword, that's the problem.
Sleepwalking any genus.
Mara jombo was never about the winter or is it like Oburambaziwa. Bangambozo shombo zingaphala belo tu ambara something. Nganyadzani asatushava because nyanzani kubona chikoshava.
Eh nyadza and I just out babva kule. So if ni makwara let's say babva
ningasi sleepwalking apfuka bad.
Babva chishushuru. Exactly.
Ndikhambori come on.
So
Nambia zasinigidimeze navuana bonori okay I'm not home.
Do you know what she was doing what you want? Opiwa kotambisa milenje.
Abakulimasaje foot massage.
Yawakafike guru bale from there. So that office no baita ntuni because ila video chako ne wana mara office when vadauta vona vathu vo usikuna vachikuvatamisa milenje. That's when I was like, yeah, I had this idea maybe vakutita to sleepwalking and all that. And I jenepeta ukiwawo anitamisa milenje ya mutu nari ndoto davo ufini ndoto davo ulivona vatu
no one waniko utsva ndinotoona vathu nditorere vatunditoona vathuvo mari
so hey
mari auna mukegura nanga nditake out navo chinaka kuti hopi nanyadzani kuti kunyangavoda
nanyadzani ndine problem ndinovabvisawo
taidzo yedzi video ndizvozvo avarisumbedzi zvote zvopererawo. That's the problem with TikTok videos.
Mara nyadzani chotua
ndikoyanga mara oti yavo rusumbedzeni yakoshava or something because we want to know zvidinge neilera ri kuhamba neiya pitbull yawo neya vampire uri it doesn't make sense wokusumbedzi wofikira la mavampire nge vodzura pasi exactly agai hapi kachitori echila hafi no vovurayiwa vagai Venda namusinotopiswa notsva neafodiwa why vampire lisingofodiwa.
The funny thing is that mavampire fakotomola Hollywood uyasasela mani.
Okay.
Somebody knows
guys, vampire is not even a real thing to trauma. Look at what vampire lore.
Oh, she got my Vampire Diaries.
Nimbudze wes. And then go borrow ranga mutaruchiziwa chitori.
Ndinyi,
vampire.
So guy.
Bod. Yes. Momboresa wala mtu. And I'm like, guys,
you know what I get? Because I think
meaning and then no one knows no tomoto and I decided to jump.
Because I feel like I was late to this news. I'm like, my vampire. Follow Romo.
Okay. Vampire are looking at the tons of Maropa. Lingato Giamaro Remuni. Lingato Toma.
Maybe look one lipstick red.
Uribala lipstick, is that what you're saying? Okay, make sense. Baba lipstick, all of you. Nikormin. Baba lipstick.
Like, I don't know. Like,
what I'm thinking, don't bread a ungang, obviously as a moot. Don't breed a pitbull.
Ufi Bavage.
Titi.
No, I'm thinking that's a pitbull.
I'm going to mara nene rombrera ngwa ngori asimutu kana voitwa mtu ava kunyegwa mbori ndinyi vasikuzvipa ndi vampire chitori vachidiva mukeguru kara vambwe nawo
mndendeni
mara zvino vachina muromo
voliwa mndendeni tora ambori probably hakorerwa
ntino chimsai maipfia so ndinganziri mukeguru voliwa mndendeni
ya bora ba hey why is online
it sounds wrong
atukamageza zvanhu zvakudabadaba yeah, so no, not to go any picture of her or anything. That's a for story.
Arana updates. Yuri uvapo zvino mulomo vakwetsana. But at least we got to know what happened after. So we are giving.
Wait,
it's really unfair.
Yes, mulomo kana really. No, how really?
Oh, mulomo. Ururimi asachadwam. Obo mulomo cause mulomo uso. Obo mulomo.
When?
I don't know, but what like Auchena party at the lips.
I saw the story of Nyerizani's Dimera. Yeah, you can check Nyerizani's Dimera.
I don't phone him mum to no chip divesa.
Wow. Ndio phone him was Dimera zhin.
Ndintambe.
It was Dimera.
You to chip divesa life story.
No, Nyerizani's Dimera. I know the whole story, man.
Guys, mara are oborurimi as Aucheno ram.
Do you know what happened to Nyerizani's Dimera?
Remember she came to church.
Damn. Opango play apaka reading miti. White and by twist uska ruchibva. That's what happened to Nyerizani's Dimera.
It's a very sad story.
It's not sad, it's reality.
But it's sad. Doesn't make it a happy story. Because it's reality.
Still, I'm like, when I walk on the radar, I would have died. But babies.
Nenda dofango chua chipigiri chikadida.
I don't know if chipigiri manasi yeso.
Oh damn. Chipigiri. You know what, guys? Because
the only thing is fact check. Okay, guys, today we have Ufinyabe. Ufinyai. Happy Mother's Day. Happy belated. Nant. Na Stardust kechilange pas manager
Stardust Youth Day.
And then we also have Paragon, Mr. King Munada. Na Maginya on the Kamichini.
Umichini.
Yeah, so yeah, man. Hey, go for something, too.
Hey.
The mean. It's only two. Come on, go. Apparently, Royal Garden, Kobu, you know. So they're gonna be celebrating 10 years. See?
Okay.
So I was like, okay, out of all these 9 years, they've been doing these shows, they're all nice and stuff. Mara, have they been uplifting our Venda people? So as an anniversary, 10 years, don't you think they should be able to like uplift our people this time around?
Yeah, I think so.
Like, I think it's the best thing let's do
and pay them their rates because we know they have the budget.
Hey,
for their
do you see me those rates? Okay, don't complain, Amara.
Don't complain, but just tell us. Okay,
50 something.
Like per gig.
Is it too much or too little?
Atikuhana mara ndikutibusoro ukuibadilwa ndinyo.
No, like that's the thing he doing.
Nizoreka bambiri, not uri.
Yeah, so he brought forth that thing. Ari K into go there this and they were about 45 because I perform with people who play. I mean, who did a live band? Remember AKA I charge 400K.
Oh, okay, no, now it makes sense. Arakwida as a live band, it makes sense. I know what it's an over. Straight from Crusade to the Snap Sunday, straight live.
I say it. Oh, all I my keyboard. What's that? This one plays acoustics.
Marriage Gwenda shot of a straight kirkin. Straight from church. I'm going to be a street Snap Sunday.
And then also, hold on to me. Jay-Z, need coming as well. Who can perform at that time?
I'm going to perform. Come to think of it, tungo bona video ya Jay-Z ka perform Snap Sunday.
Hey, sound mini. I want to see the manager.
Haberanyi.
Liko tamba. Like ango tamba. Maybe I'm not sure if the sound is poor or what.
I don't know, man. I just feel like Snap Sunday because you know how good they do it on their own.
Yeah.
They don't need already a brand, you know, the builder. Snap Sunday is Snap Sunday.
Yeah.
Or whatever. So I don't think but if these people don't want to come or they should just leave them. They don't need them.
So do you think is the case now? Royal Garden Yuri, now they know Uri, they are that big, so they don't care whether they call Venda, they don't care who they uplift and all that. So whoever comes, they just know you guys are gonna come.
With the uplifting, I think I'm gonna be a voyeur uplifter. Tina like very, you'd be shocked or
what uplifting? Giving a person the stage or giving them money?
Giving the person the money, because what am I gonna do with the stage without the money?
But then at least you're getting exposed.
Okay,
Kespa is there. He's gonna see you perform, and it was like, "Oh, I want to do a feature with you."
Guys, let's be honest. That's good as well. Mara, in this economy, that's not all you need as an artist. You can't say.
But then it was back.
Guys, with social media and all these things, it's very easy for Kespa to get you now. If you do a good video, you're a trender, or if you do a good challenge, you're a trender. It's very easy to So for you to take your whole energy in a practice and a performer, na perform song 1,000, it's not fair.
No,
let's chat an example of an children. Okay, I'll just stop talking then, because let's chat example.
No, you have Ricky doing your WhatsApp and now come back.
Because I changed numbers. Really?
Let's hear.
Oh, hey, that's
dude.
No, I don't.
Don't make me a fool.
Oh, come on.
So here's the thing. Here's my question now. Okay, here's my question now. Who should perform at 2 o'clock? That has been my question the whole time.
USB, why?
Mara, it makes sense. You can play USB, Mara, from say 6 p.m. to 6 a.m.
I don't have a problem with the time slots and whatever. If they were paying these people the right money, I feel like no perform 11 perform. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because so now I must perform to an empty crowd and still not get what I'm worth.
What makes you think they're not getting what they're worth? What makes you think they're not getting what they're worth?
But I've heard. Capable Boys negotiate guy. So you can imagine what everybody else is getting. If Capable Boys is that big in Venda and the Baba could sit and the Baba be splitter. I don't know how the manager and whatever works. Mara, you are getting a DJs, but the brand, you know, in Venda, the bono the builder, and then you want to pay them so little. What makes you think everybody else is getting paid right?
I never know. Maybe Ricky does this.
Oh yeah, Namizo. That's a complaint, but the minute nichiri live band, it makes sense.
Live band it come acoustic
guitar, keyboard.
How old is our guitar bass?
Live band and the guitar bass.
Catch Gwena. Oh,
Chone chava chiko focus ako imba neta Michael Jackson. Makes sense. That's a lot of work too. That's a lot of work. Those moves are a lot.
Ini uzororiwa. You just said ye uri noita ntu.
Mishonga.
Mishonga ya
Ile
manje.
mishonga nditoedera usiku pe. Yo ya aunawera. Mafungo awu adzura shangoni.
Okay, sorry guys. Just
public figure.
That's all the faces out. Hey, not in public figures. I'm not the under. Like everyone knows.
To go store. I don't want that life.
Yeah, I'm feel like, okay, who would you wish would have a line up here Royal Gardens this year?
Venda.
Obviously, come on, Venda, please.
Capable Boys, Vistas Valley, Gozba Banana, JR Player, Asati, Root Kid, Racha Kill. Ngaten, you have seen. Racha Kill.
Yeah.
We the DJ.
I've never heard we set, right? Let's go to Dar es Salaam. What am I doing? I don't think so.
Who else? Don't go to the moment to go to because I don't know how I was doing. Ndamba as a titi? Yeah, I guess Nibon.
Can you come back to sort of Mizo?
Oh, na Mizo.
Somebody in Fananant. Now to a real I'm rating Mizo.
I do rate him a lot. Come on, you know I love Mizo. Like,
really, do you?
I do. The whole time that you went to Mwambeda.
Nah.
Ne.
Nandi remember Mizo okay podcast.
Azon.
Angevona nantu ya TikTok
achigona. Mumuntu kamupe madi aombrezwa. Komera madi atomumbrazwa budi. Nende kwambera Mizo the whole time. I've always been.
Nembera Racha. Your favorite is Racha.
Ndo muambera Racha because ndimusi uchibva Dar es Salaam, that's when I was like, yo, do you know this boy is good. So, but then before then, Mizo Kane still is like probably the best kind of in the rap.
Not even if I feel like in music.
Hey, Venda, he's still doing so well. Like he's still doing so well. I just don't know like I don't know. But
and then nationally, who would you want to be there? As well, Venda. What call bet and what do they? What business?
Oh yeah, what call bet? I to the guy.
Because we like I call bet. Because we
allegedly.
Eh? Yeah,
okay.
Allegedly.
With nationally, I don't know. I'm so over these artists, eh?
What?
Like I'm just like
best to run out of Look at this. Europe. Probably. Never know.
Also, Mara, you do know. They can't teach you. I love my cousin's performances and whatever. Mara, her type of music is not my type of music.
What do you mean?
No, I think unless you are hype you. Different DX. No, they are
no, yeah, I get you.
Zifanana musi huko fi unalimbo la Maskandi unokorwesa. If you're not a Maskandi fan, it wouldn't hit you like that. Yeah, also if you're not a hip hop fan, Canada to Drake Rure big and you wouldn't understand. So that's me. She's very good. Utobo as type of music young and it was if I was do my 2 days and I'm good.
Nah, apparently it's good done. If you got the launcher, T-Shoma.
Who the launcher mean?
No, come Real Gardens. Team to me launcher to move Vanna Mina Zilanapo. Tongue up Machero.
You know I've never been there, hey?
Real Gardens.
Never ever.
I wanna go there this year. This year I have time.
The issue was not even
because I have time. This year I wanna go everywhere. I don't feel so compare from Tanzania. We're going.
Ooh, damn. Passport.
Do you know it?
Oh, nice.
Not
a great.
Yeah, so
I don't know. I think maybe in the door. I don't know.
Let's go this year. I'll make a plan.
What do we talk?
Get Real Gardens under Tambane. Yeah, I'll try and remember every number. Mr. MC. Come here,
I'm so childish.
Yeah, so hopefully, okay, we're shooting this on a Thursday. So by tomorrow, which is Friday, when you guys are getting this video, the way launch a tonga and not was Fatisho. Yeah, Machero. So, artists would you want to be there? At the Real Gardens, I mean, when I was there, Blake's their poster.
Okay.
Cafe's book. I was like, actually, this makes so much sense. After Roshita, JR, and then I've been seeing the posters at Zasatiti.
Okay.
So this is what Blake said.
The post.
Don't mean the poster. It's
Kind of
This Tocqueville thing between Venda artists is slowly killing the culture. Same lineup each and every gig. Promoters should try and open up the industry. There's too many talented artists around Venda with good numbers. What do you think of that? Or the stock files are killing the industry?
They are though.
Everyone was agreeing to that. So already we know Ravona Asati figure.
You know, I only discovered how good Asati was just, you know.
Really?
I think like 2 months ago, 3 months.
That
song, yeah. Nobody wanted to eat a video ngayo, and then I went and listened to the Mubo Porore or something.
Oh yeah, it's an old song, eh?
But that's a good song.
He's
good, hey?
For real.
He's good. Na Dakaro.
Dakaro ngasi short, hey.
It's a good song.
How can I move it?
No, they're good. That's when you come, hey. Okay, nimbo ze wish talk of it. So come to Azati Uzufika. There is a cane. Nendidori Zakayawe. Like Azati is not probably not as big as Wofistos na when you want it as a gig monthly. Jamburu hutu eti ya mininga. Chawish talk of fresh dota ambage.
Nani jamba song ori. Remember JR ori. Ndobusa
JR. Kusbandi rutinga ngwa.
Ndobusa JR ori. So thing Azati ori ana it is gigi. What happens to him? Arwa badiri. And then this year Azati will get a gig. I think on the 15th if not the 16th.
Guy?
Figure ina. Ndo haonga. Mara petrononi nakuita one. There's all those artists in Asatiwa ya perform gigs zao. So zamo chitoko feta chikotambira energy.
Nice.
And then I'm going to remember Snaps
Gigini Asati.
Don't look at the phone. This is Jamba Machi.
Oh, this is no.
So there's one combo. Remember Snap Sundays, is it? Fistosi or is it JR or perform a Snap Sundays? After that I perform a Chararande Macha Goosebumps. I'm like, okay. So it doesn't matter where you are. When you put in a one, all the artists are you're gonna see them. Just that you're gonna see them at a different time compared to Wango Wantun. Whenever working a gig. So like yeah, Black Z is the point.
Okay, Mara, we do a minute. We've already were more new artists.
Hey, I don't know.
What about just Tanganazo? Don't want to video. Zungus was go rappers. Now stuff you mean. Actually, do my zina. Do go rap. I feel like everyone now feels like, oh, you bring up. When come at the upcoming, but no coffee about radio. What are you Jena? What about Wambas' name? Nine to Zipa Boria. Now stuff you mean. How's Goosebumps album?
Bad. 3/10. Oh, ina nyimbo okay, yes, yeah, the songs that I love. Shitaliba, the one ya Lutro, na
Lutro ndipi?
Track number 6. I just need Spinganya.
Oh, do you know I love them?
That is classic. That one.
Okay, I'll listen to it.
And then there's even Laptan. Fika find my Laptan. That's why they're getting an episode today.
Do you know who said that? You remember? It was the classic Yeshombaga, that guy, the one that passed on last year. DD. The one that the one that got an accident.
Oh.
Yeah, it was his phrase or something.
Yeah, the legacy continues.
A little continue.
Yeah. So, what do you think of that album?
I don't want to share something to me. That's when it's a divina zuri mburu. And don't discourage your mum gonna guessing one bedzina ngori no goes both the movenga. I never talk about Kambanga's voice note.
T Zabu wrong conversation of voice note. Rapushoni. Una beaty rinta. I'm like
Mua groove, Mua toilet, Una echo.
And the toilet una echo, so it's fine. I don't know if you open moon and don't for queen. Equal reflector sound. I'm just like
because it was so good, but they don't want to just the national children.
Oh, so this is that line, Yuri. I don't know which song it is, but then Guzba was saying, Baba Bako Borama, why was a visima? I feel like Baba was going to line because rather what attack this, I was a good be.
Hey guys, y'all are toxic.
Nah, I mean, leave Guzba alone. That guy is good.
He's
just not
good.
This year. Not last year also.
Hey, Mara JR is doing so well. No fucking AF that about. That
Jaro dangerous man.
Did you hear what that boy did in that song?
He's releasing an 10-year plan, and I don't think it's piano. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen there. Yeah, I'm so skeptical about it. Rio.
No, I don't care. I just think he's good. He's just lyrically gifted, so he can kill anything. I think he can kill.
I don't think he was killing anything before piano.
Is it not because piano? Because remember, Nakare hip hop was good. Piano is just leading now. It doesn't mean other type of genres are not good anymore.
aberi mini kana mbe adengere ndinimele madi
Hey,
guys niwe nitodora DJ na wana sinda zinyimbo tatu
like meaning Dar es Salaam chikudi
bar Dar es Salaam
ndi Dar es Salaam this weekend. I really wanted to go home. Yeah, like for a one. It opened last year this time.
Over birthday za 1 year ni wanu kofosa ngwana. Cause adivi chitu.
Hola uadivesa chitu udiva maporisa udiva jezi udiva. Hola ndi mwana mulwane, hola ndi mwana wa 1 year wa dabada pa jamburi nguru udiva watu wote. Like every artist has been there in just a year. It has done what other clubs couldn't do.
Who hasn't been there? Which other clubs are you talking about?
Yo, nendi afuna ubewa.
No, neri mini maginya.
Yeah, Fair Play has done that.
Oh yeah, shout out Nechi.
Koma ngatendo though.
News Cafe uonga ntu ndoko simbezo anga ichino. Uonga restaurant.
News Cafe is a restaurant, guys. What do you mean?
No, I get it, mara the gigi zawo ni dzibetwa ngo petune masofati ngozo ndodzura so. Ndari eso ndia gemba toya mtu aranga mra wanga. Achena space.
Why do you mean awuchena space? Awungovua una space.
Oh, no, we have a space News Cafe before.
Zvinochoita mini chomire, what are you saying?
No, utanga ho revampiwa. There's like new couches.
No, they needed those couches nga uri. Vozvibona uri vatu vononwa they have this thing yori and then kunyo go VIP. I want to be at a certain
mara kava one space chulwane.
Mara in the meantime before vachiona space chulwane chediwe kutua. They must improvise. Nisongwamba chuta harani. Don't even say that. Harani hauna space.
As couches
don't lie. Petu unji harani hauna space. Have you been to Pablo's? The one by Pretoria?
Not News Cafe.
There's no space rivariko kwanyana. Ayoba nimeaniko chimbira.
I've been to News Cafe ngana.
Guys.
Zote zishapo mamuna.
Okay, mara here's the thing. Doesn't matter uri space chano chibaji uhuru if you have a good gig rdokandana. Ndi harani raza kandana it's not fun. Aukotakadza. Aungodara.
And it's not these couches that so zinera kuziamba. The last duro zinonga za busy.
No, that's not true. Na couches yon.
Hey, I think what I see. They've been there. It's not about the rata. Have you seen the new thing set up? No, guy.
Venda.
Yes, you follow my Venda mamuna.
She know.
My
ombudsman uri the same setup ye never issues as no yobe ione last year because baba chi itanga ze una zigigi bajibe the couch in a certain way, so she was telling me it's the same setup.
No, it's not the same, trust me. Just go there yourself. Nobody need so ngopanga mdaro mdaro dinishipela but Venda bazipanga manda. So cool.
Okay, let's move from these artists.
I'm just saying. Yeah, anyways, hey, how are you feeling about this whole ANC thing? I know we are late, Mara. We're part of the generation in your Wisa ANC.
Yeah, and I'm just happy. I don't care uri hafi mini gana hafi mini Mara. This was history in making, and I'm just like I was part of it. It was so long, and I was like, friend, I don't want to do this. And then we're like, Mara, the thought your wuma results zava. Husina yanga vote, it was gonna kill me. It was gonna hurt me.
What makes you think yours is there?
Yeah?
What makes you think yours is there?
Even if it's not there, Mara, now that Ndoya, at least Atina guilt yora tungoita chitu. I know I tried. That's on them, but I played my part. It's just like you tithing and then wafunzi barenga harwa. That has nothing to do with you. You played your part. Basically. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, Venda. Why?
My heart ego baba. Because I haven't been
so
to
proud
church. Yeah, I'm not proud, man. No kumanga fasting.
Utaitha. Jamungo visa cha 60. Hey, you can compensate. Don't you think?
Chichko vako do moro mzi. Damn.
Morono skataithi.
Mudzimuno ba demanding party.
Waskataithi taru.
Mudzimuno ba demanding party. Chichko vako cha 60. Kereke koremera mre. Kereke koremera.
No, zofoso ngai.
Ndiko ndiko baleri.
So also here's the thing I was thinking too. While we're busy celebrating ANC Kowa, there's this other red party we didn't expect to Idowa also. We expected to Idogo, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How did you feel about that? EFF, to be specific, what was the
Johnny, it's not a good thing. That is what expect to Iweti. I think Mara, I'm just overlooking everything. Go excited Uri. Yeah. They are where I want them to be. Like, I don't care. I know. Then this a quick spectory. Win any other party. I knew that was not possible. ANC can do win. Probably not. Maybe 2 more elections. They're still gonna win. Mara those are Roba Wanaka 40.
Mara, I know we know this win.
Yeah. Mara
technically.
So imagine if we get to a point where unaiwa party ine iko kono wana 50 something yone wana 40 something. That's still good. That's still a win. A win is a win. So I don't know, man. It is sad because I really wanted us to do more. It's a EFF, but
yeah, probably the other are almost at next year.
Hospital bills.
Malima.
Wait, how do you feel about that accident?
I just feel like the guy's reckless, first of all. I don't care what anyone says. Like, Shebeshkt, that guy has been reckless from day one, since we knew him. So there's no this thing, he's an artist. Like, hey, there was a kid there, the kid died, we should feel pity for him. It's because of the father's recklessness.
Nepiti, I do feel bad because he lost a daughter.
Yeah, for that part, I do understand.
But then the first thing that came to my mind was looking at the way he was living and how he openly spoke about it. Remember Achidaka podcast in Chill?
Yeah,
he spoke about the things he used to do, and then he was like, now he's got families that he supports in his hood, yada. And then you still see him fighting people. Una short temper,
because every video on TikTok he's fighting.
But then again, that should bring you back to the fact that God is not a child, and if you do bad things to people, I'm sure maybe that person was going for an interview. There are people that he did bad stuff to. Like, all those things can't just disappear because now you're an artist and you're feeding a couple of artists. It does not work like that. So you can't do bad and then now you are famous, and it does not work like that, guys. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think these artists now, somehow, they think, I don't know how they think. Does he even believe in God? Are they Christian? Because
I don't think he thinks, Shebeshkt. What?
I feel like he was punished wrong by him losing a daughter.
Who should have died? Yeah.
Who should have died? Whose daughter?
You know what the problem is?
I mean, like, he was punished wrong. It was supposed to...
But if he died, it was not going to be a punishment.
Exactly. That's what I was about to say. Whenever you die, it's never a punishment to you.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You don't feel anything.
You don't feel anything. And somehow I feel like when you're about to die and you get into a car accident, somehow I believe when a person is about to die, they don't feel the pain. I feel like you only feel it if you don't die.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you understand? Because let's say you get into a car crash, everything, because people that actually make it will tell you, all I remember is seeing a truck. Do you understand? So imagine all he remembers is seeing a pole and then he hits it and then he dies. Where's the punishment there? It's over for him.
Exactly.
We don't care where he's going. Let's leave.
He lost a leg. That's enough.
And you are saying you feel like the punishment went to the wrong person. Losing a leg is something else. There's still the part where you can't do the things you wanted to do. That's where the real punishment is.
There's no he's gonna dance now.
There's still I don't care. Let's leave the dance.
No, he dances, remember. Like,
no, but he uses his hands. He doesn't do
but
that.
Then remember, like,
we can get him crunches for that.
They're not gonna perform the same way, bruh.
But okay, Shebeshkt already has a cult. If Shebeshkt was, I'm telling you, his first gig, if he comes back, whether he's on a wheelchair or whatever, it's gonna sell out.
He's not coming back, that one.
Okay, mentally maybe because he lost a daughter, it might not be easy for him to come back. But what I'm saying is, I don't know how they think. Like, these people believe in certain things. I don't know what it is, because you can't rob people all your life and you're proud about it, and then you blindly and do this and do this. Now also if you've killed a couple of people and then obviously then that has happened.
You see, this thing is like, you see,
I don't know because it's like,
yeah, you hate someone.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's like the mafia is one. When they want to attack you, they never come for you. They come for your family, so that you feel the pain. So that's what happened with
That's what happens. They come for your family. They come for the people around you.
But that's wrong.
Wrong on
whose side?
Why don't you come on me?
You're
but
not gonna
if I kill you,
you're
not gonna feel the pain. You're dead. So now you get to live with the misery of seeing your daughter's pictures. You must attend your daughter's funeral. I feel like that pain is more than a gunshot. To me, that hurts. Burying your daughter because you drove recklessly, that is the worst punishment.
I'm just Mudau adhere to speed limit every time.
Apart from speed limit, now he's seeing all the people he hurt. Like, there's no way he's also not thinking that's karma. Hey. He would be delusional if he doesn't feel that way. So I know, again at the same time, I'm just like, how about the people he robbed? The young school kids that were going to school, Vajerua phone, the laptop. It feels like it's small compared to what happened to him. Mara, you do not know what that meant to some kid. There's a kid that probably didn't finish school because their laptop was taken at some point. So,
Shita wena.
Mudimuki star, guys. God is not anyone.
So yeah. I really wanted to ask you about that also. How do you feel about Shebeshkt? I was like, the guy is so reckless.
The recklessness, I don't know, because I've never seen him drive. So.
Not about driving on, just when he portrays his life on all these things.
But he did say he loves danger. I remember he was like,
that's recklessness.
Yeah, I'm thinking of it now. Damn.
So yeah, right there.
It's okay, sorry though, but
yeah.
Like I don't like seeing kids pass on. That was very sad for me. And deep down, I was thinking it's gonna be a fake story, or people are just lying. Up until I saw that Northern Academy thing.
Yeah,
that was so painful to watch. And I was seeing videos of her with him. And you know, there's one thing about gangsters.
Yes, how the TikTok. Oh, sorry. When I can't understand Venda.
When I can't do man.
I thought you didn't understand.
Take off your mask. No, that's what I mean.
Yeah, RIP to the kid, man.
Oh, that is very sad, man.
Very sad. And she was so cute.
Ooh, I was about to say, have you seen how gangsters are so good at fathering? Like, they do this fathering.
Which other gangster do you
They love their... No, but I need one like a movie.
He goes with.
What do you mean?
I'm a gangster.
They're usually like very family oriented. Like Bafuna families are most of them. Humbrani Jabu, Bafuna family. Abanya Gufa Chitu movie. Abanya Gufa Chitu Kavanao and their wives and whatever.
Do you think Venda is a gangster?
No, I don't think so.
What?
Venda is a peaceful place. Peaceful. Nigachimbranga 11. What do you mean? Ujiro Gori Venda? Wait. What, Venda? What are you saying? Yeah, she had that. Come on.
I never see it. Abajigoro stoponi chantu chateknikala.
Wow, stoponi.
Chateknikala abajigoro
ya progressive hapa. Bagaskaki. Ujia magura abaiti. Magura are safe. Achimrana ngamale.
Venda waji magura.
Magura. But the ransom ya 6 million.
Ndiri mtono where uchira magura can't. I mean in Japan ndikakate. Magangster bo hai.
Kakati ngandira
atwa babenga. Ndino mtona itono wenga.
Kakati wenga magura.
Hey Lord, bro.
Why?
I don't know. Obenya go dapon. Then the bird of 2000
you're Wamba. Namza perform bamupa 2000.
Ha indara rizobo attend. So yeah, man.
Yo, sorry mkala mtu murano kakati.
Awufika ka ndibafunzi.
Bafunzi.
Bawona kereke bana political party everything.
Unajua. Shinoba kwebo kuyela mbudzi karimbo are bana shishima.
Wasaya diva.
Don't go in of no. What do you mbudzi? So I'm just like, you can't have all that and cry for a goat.
Yeah, I think we're going on a shooting.
I need to try and be more lenient. I'm crying about phone and say much for someone episode.
I'm block
she's the older sister to my actual grandmother, so she's my grandmother.
On Kuranga Tawala Niva, Public Ivam Kala, was a dean.
In Macron, I'm gonna but then when I answered green, and I'm asking my phone green.
Okay, anyways, I was about to say into film. I mean, I think this other time I was working on something. I was like, let me just watch this April event. Then they launched, iOS 18. I'm sure you know. So I saw the things they'll be launching all those things. I mean, so I was like, wait, iPhone. One thing I've realized is that they launched things that Android previously launched, but there was maybe better here and there. The iPhone, you know how
we are like die-hard fans,
iPhone was one. And then so I was like, the mission if no the mission I saw it, I was so interested about it.
I didn't see much. I just saw the new thing, your scheduler iMessage.
Yeah, I was so happy about that one also.
Yeah, that one is good.
It's over.
That one is good for cheaters, guys. For cheaters. You go to good morning, it's at 8. That's the scheduler. It's giving, yeah. Renaissance social media manager, we schedule posts.
September
so they were
the message.
Hey, what? Hey, I know birthday anga December kuzoro Merry Christmas now na chipinga dzrani be anyway.
October, November.
Merry
Christmas.
Ichiri 12 o'clock dzive zieva tuni. nive no relaxa ini ngodinwera no the relaxera vibes. Father's Day machirona wana chipinga ingwaleni namusi ituwe ngasonda ini no edera but like, thank you babo thangi.
That's like, hey, and then the funny thing also that I thought, you know, you see AIT actually means artificial intelligence, and then you know,
drink
guys,
your pezera. Hey juice,
come share juice. Come share juice. Maginya.
Why are you laughing? I said juice khan. Yo.
No, I can't. Maginya, what you got there?
Hey, camera kumubona Maginya.
Nah, it's fine. Nangwa pira, what you want?
And come ba all share.
Yeah, so I was about to say, they turned the whole thing artificial intelligence into Apple intelligence. You see how cocky Apple is.
Yeah.
Like those guys, they just don't care about They always want to be the first ones to start something. Like we're not gonna.
Mara, isn't that the way of business? Isn't that what makes you different? Because if you're selling anything, I need to ask you what's different about your
makes sense
products.
why Apple customers are also cocky.
Are we? Am I?
Yeah, you.
What made Apple intelligent? Isn't it artificial intelligence?
Thank you, Makoti.
Good one.
Li. And I need any chat. Needs a tour bore.
Hey, anyway. Other than AI, yeah. Let's talk about AI here. Man. First, like I was like, always Apple, they always want to stand out. Even when they came late. Yeah, and also Apple in the mini. They love my makadzi bachelede. Wonosika
late to the phone.
What ranger na kugokunga kororo zvo.
Eh, boda na vatu what is a very
pumpkin
the rich ants.
Pumpkin.
That's Apple, bro.
Ayo tsitsa dzi pumpkin.
The pumpkin.
Adzipanga dzapano dziyacheya.
Tomato.
Dziyacheya dzipanga.
The tomato. Una the onion.
Kana tsitsa sconzi zvinodoliwa ngavafunzi. Hey zvinobiwa ni dollar. I feel like I'm going to be that one. I can't wait to be that one. Avangaiji ngori atina nditongeri utovoro reality yori ndodana tomato tungodana mathematics. What do you mean? Okay, lalu will is live tamatisi.
The tomato.
It's tomatoes.
The tomato.
Onions, tomatoes, carrots.
Nah, you are a tech guy. What do you think of iOS 18?
Oh, green pepper ni edzila dzinedza dzikacheka zopo dzikhala dzoti green pepper.
Abana gang, you're green paper.
Hey, you're not a Venda, you're a green paper.
You're a green paper.
Hey, obviously you should price the green paper.
Oh, green pepper, you wanna check us?
Guys, hey, green pepper.
Yeah, so you tell me, what do you think of iOS 18?
Okay, when it comes to iOS 18, according to my opinion,
privacy. That's what we're
okay.
about.
Or you want to know about privacy? I don't think when it comes to privacy, they are becoming fair because Siri is going to be able to access everything that you are doing. Even if you are talking to someone else, you can even command it to say that, go to the conversation of when I was saying this and that. So you can highlight it. If ever maybe you are arguing, you can put it out. And also, imagine right now, my girlfriend has to touch my phone and then say, I talk to Siri and say that Siri.
Wait, was... Can I tell Siri to send nudes tomorrow?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
iOS 18.
Great.
Why do you think of nudes?
Yes, you can.
Wait,
and you can...
How do you think of news of all the things?
We're thinking of everything. Okay, can I tell Siri to send a Bible verse to my mom?
Of course.
Too late, bro. It's full of nudes. Don't mix the two. Nudes and verses.
No, I'm talking about nude colors. What do you mean? What are you thinking?
I don't care. You know what you meant.
What do you mean? Do you live in my brain? Do you live inside my brain?
No, it's fine. Continue, Mr. iOS.
Yeah.
But then what I like about it is that there will be a feature where every app, it will give you updates on every app, what the app did with your information and like those kind of updates. So you won't be worried about your information being taken from somewhere to somewhere. So they will be telling you.
Is it possible for me to like talk to Siri and say, hi Siri, so this is my girlfriend's number 011, all these things, ne? Who has he been talking to in my absence?
But
do you think it will be doing that?
So it can go to her phone
That's what I'm trying to understand.
Remember, no, not that way.
It should only access the apps on your phone, right? Yes.
Unless if ever someone just grabs your phone and then act as you, because there is no voice recognition.
Yeah,
it's all about talking to Siri. So you can say that, give me the conversation of yesterday. I forgot who I was talking to, but then we were talking about this and that.
Or
maybe she can say, love.
Who invited me?
You see?
Nice.
So, or maybe ask about what was my route yesterday. I forgot the route that I went to. Like, which way did I go yesterday to go to this?
Siri is fixing the country.
Why not go complain? Why go complaining?
Gianni Nere, who did I say good night to yesterday?
Can't say good night.
Can't say good night. Hey, but Jana's not for
take the phone and say I love you. I miss you.
I love you. I miss you.
If my name doesn't pop up,
Maginia is trying to see which one are you commanding to do that?
It's not your girl, Maginia.
Can I answer you? Urela barrio ni barrio.
And then, okay, here's another question I had regarding iOS. What's the best thing that they have that Android doesn't have? Because they always try and take whatever Android has and make it better, just like the home screen landscape. Like we've had that thing in Android, just that I have two.
It's just that okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, I don't have two.
Android A2 Samsung.
Android A2 I want to compare a child. Any folder. Okay, yeah, it's fine. You're still saying.
So I was saying that what I can say about the features now is that Apple took the features of Android and take them to private school. So that's what I'm saying. So all those features that they are talking about, we already have had them on Androids, but then right now they are more powerful than the Android ones.
Simple.
Which is what I said. iOS in the when Thomas away the late in schools.
Which is what makes it greater. Because it comes to you on some, okay, I see you have a nice wig. Let me give you better. Exactly. So that's what it does.
Here's the thing. If you had money, would you be able, would you upgrade your phone each and every year? Whichever 15 you buy it.
For the camera, I would. Because honestly speaking, with my phone, the only thing I care about is my camera. Because I don't do much, Yeah. All I do is chat, phone calls, pictures. I take pictures every day. So.
Oh yeah, that I know.
Standard procedure.
Hey, so it's fine, man. We'll see what happens. When does it drop? September, that's the release date.
I don't know, but I had some already have it.
At least those guys backdoor, Umaginya and stuff. Doesn't make sense. You're Bamba more, and then he has it already.
But where? Sure.
So yes, what I like about Apple is that a lot of the features are for developers. So some people won't see them as like you see. But as a developer, you'll see.
Here's a question to both of you, Android drops this best phone that beats every iPhone. Will you go back to Android?
I don't think I'll ever see it as a phone that beats iPhone. Because even now,
okay, you know why she's saying that?
Yeah,
it's because of the hype also.
Yes.
Yeah. Because now, if ever now,
the same hype.
Let me tell you something now. If ever I come in here with a fake iPhone 15, fake one, I'm talking about the fake one, and then you are holding an Android that is bigger than mine, you won't even see, like you won't even rate that person.
I'll just be cringing.
Yes. You see.
But then here's the thing, I feel like iPhone, whatever, has built a brand, and there's nothing we can do about it. Because first of all, remember, even if Android beats us on the phone, we have a whole lot.
The branding is massive.
I'm not getting rid of my Mac for anything.
The branding is massive.
There's the Apple Watch. It's just the brand. It's just like the example ya Woolies and Kuipa. Woolies has just built a brand, and there's nothing we can do.
Actually, for example, ya Black Couch and nothing the podcast.
Oh yes, for example, we have built it, and like it doesn't matter if we don't drop in 2 months. Okay, sorry guys, let's be humble.
We miss
you guys. We understand you guys. You get there.
podcast in Venda.
Yeah, we are very small.
I think it's
we're not
number
doing-
7
Yeah.
from 8
no,
podcasts.
look, may 11.
11, it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're number 11 in Venda.
Guys, please subscribe. Hit
Which
the
one?
like button
Which
and
one is
share.
number 1 if you are number 11?
Venda.
I don't know. I don't know. There's a
know
pretty
them.
girl in that podcast that is sure. If you want for something.
You should have Bram.
She's dark. English knows.
Yeah, Mara guys, don't worry, man. We're pushing there. We're trying to be the best podcast in
Yeah,
Venda.
we are pushing.
By all means, we're going to do 2 months.
We won't sleep. But that's the best.
We're going to drop her each and every week now. Okay, speaking of that, this is a time I want to go to Venda, and it could be for like 2 weeks. So I'm like, consistency is key. So let's get someone and have a Venda and I watch it.
Get a girl. The first person that was coming to my mind was Ndibo. Ndibo is not on our level now.
Now,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. She's this side.
Yeah,
in
are 12 to
Venda.
3.
In Venda. In Venda.
That's a lot. What do you mean?
So?
No, I'm not going to say.
Oh,
9.
No, I'm thinking of someone that's in Venda. I'm not thinking of it.
Do you think it's true when we have Siku if you're not?
No, if you're new.
If
you're still new in the game. When I'm choice,
G-Voice caller over Siku Mara is the best.
Where?
G-Voice is blind parapara.
Ushuma kamen?
Kaparapara.
Oba chishuma psiku guy. Oba
psiku. And then another thing, shuffling and all that, and I feel like G-Voice is the best thing to ever happen to Parapara. According to me, it's the best thing to ever happen. After
now, I don't know how the whole thing works. I don't know about Parapara, but I know Nichitoma, Nichishika, because also you don't even have audiences yet. So they can't put you on the morning show.
True.
But no Jenna come morning show, obviously if Bonang comes, your Tando comes, because already they have the people.
Your Kingsley
so
on the black couch.
Come in, Kabembe.
Oh, speaking of that, okay, let's era.
Radio.
Ne. Ani ashma bembe wabomfuna. Didn't know gig ya December.
Yeah, look borrow wari.
Yeah, that it got borrow. What do you ngorela? Apparently numbers.
No more session Ramba Jabede.
No, Nela on the interview. Because actually they asked me like how much are you making on the podcast? Like I can pay 3 employees there that you guys have. Apparently it was a bad thing. Someone's like,
there's one thing in it I've noticed that we have. It's a toxic trait and we don't know it. You and I need to go to a humble school. We're not humble.
Nah.
I'm
the most humble guy ever.
No, bro. We think
besides
we are.
being the best podcast, I feel like...
Bro, we think we are. I'm going to give you an example. You're going to I complain. Yamusini kwamba na mate. Yamruma pish. No, I'm just saying if it was a typical humble person, they would have handled that differently. And I'm not saying I'm any better than you. I have the same problem. I see it at work with a damn. I shouldn't have said that.
Oh, you're working now.
Thank
you, Maginia. I'm realistic,
fuck
not...
you. Oh, no, man, fuck you.
Man, fuck you.
Because you're saying a lot of nonsense. But I'm just saying, that's one thing I've noticed about myself. I need to work on it. Because I'm confident. Okay, yes, that's the thing. Mara, if you come for me, I feel like the things I give, it takes you lower. And that's not a good thing. It's not good. Because you'll be coming for me thinking you are this person, and then I take you under my feet. So that's not a good thing. That's not humbleness, right?
That's what I was thinking about Namuzi. Or if ever, say we schedule a session, or we're going to record, and then you tell me, yeah, it's all good, let's schedule everything, and then I record. No, I schedule, that was out of a studio, we're going to come and shoot everything at 3. If everything has been set, you're supposed to come tomorrow at 3. Now, unfortunately, something came up. To me, you came to the studio. I'm just another. You came.
Farewell. Goodbye.
That's what I thought about.
Goodbye. That's something.
Unless if something like agents, we see what you told me, oh, my son is sick and all that. I have to attend them. I'm like, okay, cool.
That's valid.
And then we reschedule, and then you don't pick up the phone. I'm like, yeah, guys, episode something 0.5. I want to taking though, maybe I'm gonna drop. Last week, just saying. Because
when are we having Innosoul? Please,
Innosoul promise. About that day, I was like, I have a phone.
No, man. I feel like that's the only woman that can humbleness. Yeah.
Why go for a phone? Never phone yanu.
Farani ni wenu mpayam.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Then damba chiko bel. So mtu. Ah, anchako no fare.
Na nini afuna chere bro.
Ufuko bado baada bili.
Ndio bado baada bili.
Zonzo, ufuko bado baada bili mini luxury watu. If you mean don't. You guys know the whole story. Mkono.
You know Zonzo?
You
don't know.
The Venda blesser. Alicia.
Blesses himself. Doesn't bless
What do you mean he blesses himself?
He blesses himself.
Why? I don't understand why people call him a blesser.
I saw a video of him Shoprite. It's commenting of him as Zonzo Renga Shoprite. Like, damn, what you guys expect from Zonzo?
I just feel like I don't know who put Zonzo with people in Venda have like people have this idea of Zonzo in their heads. Usually one a guy. It scares me as well. I'm just like, where? And which is crazy because they don't see the money. We want a guy. What does he do? No, and I've been saying, and it's going to sound like I'm being a hater, but how do you guys classify the money group? How do you guys say that guy has money?
I feel like Venda actually day.
Give me top 5. Your top 5. Yeah. Nsingo the Jenny samgana ebatwa dore ni humble. Bali cheni. Richani in the 9.
No, no, Sophie, when did I make my first million? Like,
and I'm like, you
actually, I think I've made $1 million, dude. I was like, but it's fine. Oh, and then, come on, actually, this is for top 5. Ini muna nani kwa dashare day. Ni airipa.
Atikoro diwichere
Ani kwa Diaries doni nimpeyo ni mimi.
Ati tivoni ndishika wana mtana ga kumbe.
I'm gonna paint a scenario for you now, T. Ino Zraya.
Ninasibe na yoyo mturu ngasi andani.
Ino Zraya ni la tajere sa diskomota.
Yey, diskomota. Ndidile.
No Zraya, ndikori dani studio. Tanga ko do record na waf. Nyagor need. Ndarnamente kisi ya 5 rand ndoni pangishika.
Ini narinamere.
Nendipima ginya.
Ni richu koshumi sana so you are my business
partner. Ni mtu wanga ni fimpo.
Ndi msadzi wano.
Ndari na mena ntekisi nga 5 rand then bani chishika. Ini zo shininga mupa chede mtu achishika.
Undi wa msadzi kandi wa munna.
Ni wa msadzi, uyi ni mpo. Ndifima ginya.
Anokutiyo pa mumwe ndi wa msadzi kandi wa munna.
Ndini ne maginya ne. Ndoni buzori na mena ntekisi then bani chishika.
Ndichishika ndiko the shade yanga.
Hoyi kunya shade ya ubali ngoduba. Hoyi mkona ngodondori ka ubeti. Yes, the thing. Bus. I was like, you are too cute for the bus. Who banded the Vanjishik? I just got hung. Catch my children, Richard Young. I'm like, come on. Now I'm record. I'm like, Ricampo. Kafar take his to the dance. The damn Gia. Rebizzer set up. Can I take his to the dance? Don't buy your chic. I just go Richard. On a sheet.
Guys, but nisonga ten, but then nisonga tendo kuriyo. And then that the rookie sang I and the the shed young and younger. Tony anga already legend ni ko dibore ni nayo and now are kayo la lunch do muri pen ndiche dianga ndiko itoda
it's fine
come on tagaya when do move but that's what I want.
Top 5 end of out wana chere de Venda. I'll say okay obviously umagobenti chani kunyanga age group
tinanda bana age group.
I'm not sure about Tabe. Okay, yes my Tabe wana chere de night and then who else?
Number 2
I don't know anyone.
You don't know anyone else? Great.
I just know
Wamashal.
Oh yeah, Wamashal. Hey, Wamashal ati. Okay. Ndiambe. Bana ntuji. Bana see yes, this thing you see those cars ne. You have this other car that you can't drive. You should be driven in it. So walam to already drive. Do you think walam to ane warua in poverty and then he got the money? It's like no one is gonna touch the things that I got or I obtained myself.
I don't know about Navana drive.
Okay,
no. The guy was driving a different car. No,
exactly. Like what that giving a grade of 4.
Or maybe he doesn't trust anyone to drive him. It's not even about the money thing.
I feel like sometimes it's always poverty though.
Nah.
Because I know guys, they don't know me that much, but they will say, okay, come to New Germany.
But one of them is already when they want to poverty, but they didn't believe they'd have money, so now they want to have ice boys for no reason. Because when it's when expenses in it, okay, let's say no.
Even if drive ask you, not one offer.
Let me cook. Allow me to cook. Allow me to cook. Allow me to cook, my boy.
Bend the kitchen.
You allowing me? Great.
Arif, mashallah.
What I'm saying is, for example, ni wana comes to vash, ndina mungana ane una guru ya blind record odombo nati, and then after I know you can drive. I mean, udluza mini go vavala ya tawani mall. huna vathu vane vono pfesa vusiwana vono rumesiwa va utofuna ruma because it's if you look at vathu vanji vono drive auna need
But
so
then-
I totally understand uri why also I feel like with the money he makes and the type of businesses he does I feel like personally I think that guy has a lot of money
But then there's
so
that
you
poverty
wouldn't
in
trust anyone to just drive you for no reason if you can do it yourself why not do it
No, here's the thing, T. When I like poverty, people want you to like. Nito zvitamira ngoza muthu akurera like vomasha vakurera Rolls Royce vonzudza
Mara ni wana-
randi hami ukubika mikhishi ndiyangazvivi. Here's the thing,
Konobika
T.
makumba but it's cool
Like vakonipa vakurida nijegulu iti rikorotowa raw 30 and then vavakunyaguya say he's busy with something T. And then, like vakuti vavacommitted nezvo zvito mara he gets a call come and do this you rather drop this and send koite nonotom because they don't want anyone to drive say their thing not really, okay I get the trust issues someone can hit something atourana mina mana ati vane vatava now ushaula uri you have to to earn zvine nadzo zvitano tinadzoshumisana so guroi anengadzosokuiwana mahara
I get what you're saying.
so I always have that thing okay muthu achiriitani so which one is it between the
ndikoni
two
pfati I get what you're saying my opinion is with havala ati koriwo hezvo because ni wana na goloi dzine
Jambori nemadiva
no ndonovavona petu hunji right and I've seen him arrive so what I'm saying is ni awana uri vatu like I'm saying the guy boenda ndikumurero ngara wavakova driver that guy was driving a different car mara that car
the bucks
no not bugs like
Really?
a guy like some guy I don't know I think the driver I think this what I mean but that guy was driving a different car and that car was still a Ranger that car was still a big car
Nantu vachidhantu
so in
nodava.
my head I'm like if he can give someone a Range ini kwambori na vatu vanonipa
No, Dar es Salaam vanogoniza
mara avakunipa Maybach still vatu vanokoni drive
that
you wouldn't
makes
give a
sense.
Maybach to
No,
anyone you wouldn't
that
give a
makes
Rolls Royce
sense.
to anyone so it's those big cars that he's not giving to anyone
Mara,
I personally
it's okay.
nane if I had a Maybach I was not going to give it to anyone I'm just saying
I'd give someone then they're the
yeah, you would give someone because maybe also how you earned it. Ni come Sarah knows nje, but it's a whole Maybach, bro. You can't just give it to Moto Ane. Huh?
Bucks, do you think one pareda?
I don't know. I don't know. I've never seen him a good driver. I don't know how it works.
Oh, it's good. Jumbo already.
Hey, I don't think Warreda. He's never given me energy. He no man feel energy already.
No, I feel like Bucks is
He's
chilled.
very chilled, humble.
Anya kusoko
He doesn't even rub it in your faces or your mashallah. I don't know.
Mashallah.
Yeah,
Like, Anna Mashallah.
he's in his
He's
lane.
there Mashallah Bangi.
Yes,
He's trying to
he's
live his
not
own
the-
life. Yeah. I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, I'm only thinking of it now that you're mentioning it.
Yeah,
That's
Bucks.
what was wrong.
Kushima Rabudi. And the Rokama Zakashire Desoti. I went to this MTN event. When was it? Bamlova. So, yeah, Tuesday. So this other lady, Ukama, I think she's the chief what of MTN. What hold up?
Yeah.
Literally, what arrange call. Lazo fish call me need tender. You're gonna get money. Na chikolo chawan sachirede. Literally, that lady was saying.
What is she? Position?
That's what I was feeling to say. Chief what?
Oh.
Abe, what is
Waiter
she?
Mini. Do you know what?
Oh, what is CA?
Oh.
Yeah, good with. Oh, and the vice president for MTN group.
Right. And then you for MTN.
So cool,
But what okay.
So, what does what I mean is a fair and I mean, and then about 15, and then MTN calls. It's like we're gonna double your salary.
No, 15 mini per mini per
15,000. No.
Oh, 15,000
Per month.
One mini by CA.
No, I don't think about
Kare.
About the one at the board exams. Those
Oh,
was the board,
Zakare,
you know, those was the board exams. And 15,000, hell, I carry. What is in a body in a rent.
Ish.
So she's getting
Yes,
15K per month, and then MTN calls. They're like, we're gonna give you double of the thing that. It was MTN. It was in MTN. Oh, on the app, Sati.
And now to serve on a real jiperi worship.
Anyway, I didn't know them to the Angwandela planet.
You wanna? Oh, you don't know the 7 or 4 o'clock.
So, Fimin, we are working on 15. I feel we were talking about 8. If we had a group car company, and they were like, "Oh, okay, nice. That's a lot. 100% increase."
Yeah.
And then I was fee. If I pass its board exams, I'm gonna double the double that you're getting. I'm like, well, I'm not back at 15, I got 60,
At 20.
At 25.
No, it was not at 20.
As it was at 25.
I know people that are making that much.
I'm like 60K, 25. And then now she's
Not
not
Gino.
And then she was like, oh no, my house bent and everything. Mara, it's fine because we have other houses, other mansions to be specific. I'm like,
Oh, Bennett don't mention.
I'm not sure Rob Bennett.
Odobo Khasi.
Yeah, no, but
Definitely has to be guest. Shambure uri ndikobera ringa guest hita, it's a sign.
Uri ndingazipfume.
No, uri ndidopisa ndo.
Yeah, Mara. One thing I realized in the event, they spoke of networking.
Can I just tell this one uri ndikadisho?
How would you Greg Ilkuwa?
Greg, you osara 1 minute.
Color speak.
Ndiko shooter and niko para. Can you not swear and not say stupid things?
Usimana jivenda kana shukwa.
Zuko pena mwana. Ndikoda.
Ini bigara Greg.
Ndikoyola.
Ano msadzi Greg.
Then wana panda. Zvino msadzi uona restaurant tiri kwa.
Mara ti why akufuna ini ano ndara. Azifuna.
Greg, utaka uri anina msadzi na niko yango uri wofona ndora riola. Thank you. Thank you, Greggy. Bye. Niko damgana. Niko dota kwa ina bit. Thank you. Niko damgana.
Orambwandi. Padrupi. Oh yeah, so nani kademi ando kufuna ndo hapo. Nani for me? Oh yeah, she was speaking of networking. Like that whole event, what I learned is that just get a paper. Okay, you're relevant also, not your like get a paper. You want a company, then from there network and be a good person also.
In the company, yes.
Be a good person to a point in if in a client. So you want to go to the client to a point in a client got that car CEO ya company recommend or then CEO ya look there. Wait, did you use a client? I want to know but genuinely Santa. So she was just speaking of networking, the whole thing. I mean, like yeah, actually.
What she's saying is very right. Like not you can just be an admin.
True.
The key is to be the best at what you're doing. Like somehow it'll pay off. It might not pay off now.
For real.
It might not pay off tomorrow, but just be the best at what you do, man. I think that works. They're like, yes, it's what a loss. You know what I'm saying. You know.
That's actually good, son. We're to network.
Yeah, phone yang.
I don't know. Hello? Sharp.
Yeah?
Sharp. Emuna, I'm true. Ushima double shift. What does that mean?
I will not like
Huh? Oh no, like no rodovia is no luncheon.
Dina.
Zamadino dollar na grege yan. Hey, Rito bada studio ngola chipinga. Oh, then for
I don't
which not go with that. Hey, we shall put down. Hi. And then also, guys, as I was saying, Fisto City, like a story. Kufuna not drop or wana rimuyan. So like yeah, so guys, but we are it on network and I mean work hard. Those one life is so easy. I mean
networking is the key, man. Networking is what's gonna save South Africa now. Because we're not just at work. You need to find out HR and you wouldn't know. It's usually women. Yeah. So network wherever you go, talk to people, find out what they do. How can this person help me? Mona company mini no koto daini, you shota marketing, you koto da towards the website. It's a lot, Mara. We are never gonna know because you guys just get to a place and you just keep quiet. And you just wanna look fancy. You just wanna look fancy, and I'm like,
guys, one opportunity. Maginyo got the receptionist.
Oh, but you
Unyaga reception. Unyaga mtane wakono clean happy botambo ayo wakono rumwa katek shop asikarenga tambo so. Uzu ndazera kama that day uri. Songo soko wana marketing yoradi. Songo soko wana na police yoradi. So shimo good for us gidi peds.
Tell me about
it. But police ni good I mean. It's fine arpira.
Ma police. Ba gidi mamta.
Na thaba bagonya. I know hey It's fine.
And Venda unana tavana nti. And Venda ni tsotsina shabela tavana vangana gidi. It's over. That is your escape. It's the table best night.
Guys, there's a lot to say. Mara, I feel like Shibinga uamba upedi man. Mara yeah, you're gonna see us next week, and we sort of been gone for this long. I mean, guys, imagine if Israel heritage right there, mature. They are profit, Prophet TK.
Ili high uava.
Makinya ukuta usiringa man. Ruko futa mungo usiringa.
Mungo put edza. It's giving iOS 18. Sorry. Let's go, guys.
Anything you wanna say before Shivara? I mean,
Uri, thank you for waiting for us and not unsubscribing. I don't know what unsubscribe. What's it called? Oh, great, guys! Thank you so much.
Nicha thank you for waiting on us. I also this other thing. Sometimes Nicha paid songs what and over that little person and I'm sorry I'm late. Sometimes just get and say thank you for waiting on me. So that's you being cocky now. You see. Now I'm humbled.
I think I'm a cocky person, and I'm gonna work on it, guys.
Nah, it's
Don't
fine.
worry.
I think you're okay.
No,
like
I need to work on it a bit, guys.
No, ni cocky.
And about what did it? And the banana is cocky. Now it's one of the
chimba podcast in Ingwe. Chadu don't know no gumani go drop you.
Drop her today, drop her tomorrow, drop her forever.
Yes,
and
guys. And then, happy Father's Day. Kabo kosi wo teba nema kodi dobona video.
Yes, guys.
Naka makura wa fam kara.
Yes, Daddy. Love him, Moses. Yes.
What's Moses? Oh damn.
Moses.
He's giving a river. The river ila tukandi see. Bana bada.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Mara job kuma nakosi ngaba bona, guys. Nakosi ngaba bona.
Yeah, kozanga.
So on Father's Day to Makura. Moses Matiba na Mr. Coffee. He's gonna watch it.
Mr. Coffee.
My dad.
What Mr. Coffee?
Ibana. Chifani.
He's giving less his way. Mr. Coffee. Okay, bye guys. I think
Andrew. You know what?
Andrew. I'm not from a baby. Moses, Andrew, Peter.
Can you continue with Tijirondi?
I'm free Rex.
Free I'm free mini. Ngojiba Tijirondi. Tijirondi.
No.
Why you go to Ashwaf na baby? Jombola no lilachi Venda. Poppy. Bafi Poppy.
Enorugo West, what do you mean?
Masindi. Bafi Masindi.
Nah.
Una Masindi sina meaning. Bo Poppy bo Masindi.
Chiba Zauru.
And Dukosiano.
No, I'm giving the names.
But yeah, happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Are you a father?
Oh, really? Are you a father?
Yeah.
Mr. iOS. Happy
I feel like our generation is doing so well when it comes to fathering. Hey, you guys are good dads. We need to give it to you guys.
Like you said.
No, it's not even about that.
Happy Father's Day, Maginia. Happy Father's Day. Is it Paragon? And then happy Father's Day, Fistos. Who else is
and happy Father's Day to my person next year in advance. Yes, it means we're about to make it happen. No, I'm about no. Happy Father's Day to my.
Isn't it a sort? Ni makumba mako mangalo ni kurimini.
Fuck off. Cut this stupid show. Kaku varo podcast. Who's stupid room? Can we do a cut, please? Next year. Anyways, guys, everybody say bye. Can we close this show? Yo. So
how do we know you're closer?
Nendo kwenye ya bathroom kashivale show shabe.